Welcome to Golden Rule, where your power is our priority. I'm Justus Marnin, your friendly electrician, and today we're going to talk about something crucial for your home's security: Ring camera doorbells. Have you ever wondered, why does my Ring camera doorbell not work? Well, you're not alone. Many homeowners face issues with their Ring doorbells, and I'm here to help you troubleshoot and get them working smoothly again. First, let's cover some common problems you may encounter with your Ring camera doorbell. Connectivity problems, blurry video, and button issues are some challenges you may encounter. So, why is your Ring doorbell suddenly not working? It can be frustrating, but don't worry, we've got answers. Power issues, Wi-Fi problems, and outdated software can all contribute to sudden malfunctions. If your doorbell isn't working with Ring, it may be due to compatibility issues. You must ensure that your device and the Ring app are in harmony. Check your app settings and make sure your doorbell is compatible with other Ring devices you may have. What if your Ring doorbell isn't ringing when you press the button? That's a common concern too. Review your device settings, ensure your chime settings are correct, and double check your Wi-Fi strength. Now, let's tackle the big question. Why is my Ring camera not working? Dust on the camera lens, power issues, or software glitches can all impact the camera functionality. Alright, let's get to the good part: troubleshooting steps. Here's what you can do to address these issues. 1. Check your power source. 2. Make sure your Wi-Fi signal strength is strong. 3. Keep your software up to date. 4. Review your device settings. 5. Remember to clean the camera lens regularly. Easy, right? And remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your Ring camera doorbell in tip-top shape. Change the battery if needed, update your firmware, and you're ready. But hey, if you tried all these steps and your Ring doorbell still needs to be fixed, feel free to contact the friendly folks at Golden Rule. And there you have it, folks. A troubleshooting guide to get your Ring camera doorbell working like a charm. Remember, at Golden Rule, your power is our priority and your home security matters. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any more questions, leave them in the comments below. Stay safe, and until next time, take care.